And booleans also we discussed already. And Python, even the case of Python, like other languages, it has only two possible values, the booleans. One is true or false. The true and false, the first letter should be capital letter. Okay, and we don't have to give this one. Or if you want to compare it, right, so you need to use it like this. Okay, booleans are considered as numeric type in Python. This is the one you need to remember it. True is 1, false is 0. And we have something else called none. We have something called here called none. Okay, for example, so you have a function called bool, and if I say none, it is called false. Okay, so for here, none as a boolean value. Okay, none as a boolean value. What is the boolean value? False here. And bool of 3, bool of minus 3, bool of 0. Non-zero integers are true. Non-zero. So, okay, if I say 0, what does it say? It is false. If I say bool of 1, it is true. Okay, and bool of, if I say minus 1, see, non-zero integers are true only. Minus 1 is true, and bool of minus 3 is considered as a true. Non-zero integers are true values. Okay, or if I say a bool of 3, true only. So except 0, right? Rest of them are considered as true. That is what it says. Except 0, rest of them are considered as true, and even none is considered as false in Python. Bool method is used to convert a value to Boolean. If you want to convert a value to a Boolean, see, that's what we did, right? 3 is the integer. If you want to convert is a Boolean data type, so we need to use a bool function, using which you can convert to Boolean type. Like int float function, we can use it to convert from one data type to another data type. Using bool function, you can convert the numeric value into Boolean data type. And Boolean operators are and or not. And or not. Okay, yesterday we have seen it, right? So how to use and, not, or, and all. Not, we did not say. Same way the and, right? So not also we discussed. Not true is nothing but false. Fine. So next we will take a look at